But firstly, the way most organizations are selling products and services today makes the accounts receivable function often a costly and labor-intensive endeavor. But the real challenge, and this is still very common unfortunately, is that many suppliers aren't getting paid on time, with 53% of invoices on average being paid 23 days late. And again, very often this is attributed to things like missing or inaccurate data on the invoice, such as an incorrect purchase order reference, for example, which can lead to invoices needing to be reissued and in turn delaying payment. Secondly, on the buying side, inaccurate data is also creating challenges. Not only is it costly to process each invoice manually, which makes the overall AP function a high cost to the business, but it also creates significant processing delays, which can lead to missed supplier discounts and even late payment penalties in some cases. Thirdly, procurement. You see demonstrated this earlier. In many cases, we know that we are overpaying for products and services. The average across all spend categories is about 12 to 15%. And we saw, however, that any reduction in negotiable spend can lead to a significant overall profit margin for the business. But again, this is very hard to achieve with poor financial data, because with poor financial data, it becomes very difficult to drive procurement improvements and strong contract negotiations, for instance. The last point is a lack of ability to properly analyze cash flow from an operational standpoint, because we're too often processing trading data that is several days and perhaps several weeks old in many cases. So, to address all of these challenges effectively, we recognize that we need to shift our attention to the value of data itself, and in particular, focusing on ensuring we are trading with accurate financial data as it pertains to key document types such as orders, invoices, shipping and goods received notices, as well as the other purchase to pay and order to cash messages. But ideally, we would want all of that data to be exchanged in real time with all line level information transferred correctly between buyers and suppliers with that or with very minimal manual intervention. And we also want to ensure data is accurate across all of our trading partner interactions, not just a subset, so that it becomes truly actionable for decision making. Conversely, poor data makes poor decisions.